sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
Alright, Fuzz Pi Guy here. I'm going to show you how to disable the Wi-Fi, onboard Wi-Fi for the Raspberry Pi 4. For example, if we just do a ifconfig, as you can see here, it lists the WLAN 0. So we want to make it that the Pi doesn't boot the Wi-Fi when it comes up, which is nice if you don't plan on using it. All we need to do is go to the following. We're going to make the following file here, and we're just going to post in two different lines. I'll throw a link in the description for this information, but all we need to do is paste in the following two lines into this file and save it. So if we just do a Control X, Y, and enter, if you're using Nano, it's still going to list the WLAN 0 because we need to reboot the Pi. So when we do a reboot on this and wait for it to come back up, now this will disable the Wi-Fi from loading on boot. This is not a good thing if you plan on using the Wi-Fi, but if you use the Ethernet port, we'll be good to go. So let's go ahead and restart our session, and we will log back in here. And now if we do a ifconfig, it doesn't show the WLAN 0 interface. So hopefully this kind of helps out, get you started with that, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned for another one.